Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, let us learn a Python program that is write a Python program to print the even numbers between 1 and 30. So given the starting and ending range that is 1 and 13, so you have to print the even numbers between these starting and ending range. So that is a problem statement. So let us try to solve this. So let me take two variables start equals to 1 and end equals to 30. So the reason I am taking these two variables is because so if the problem statement changes something like you have to print the even numbers between 1 and something like 50. So you can just modify over here, that is this. So since the end range is 30, so let me change it back. Yeah, so let us try to print the even numbers between 1 and 30. So let's take two variables. So already we have taken. So let's try to use the iteration from 1 to 30. So let's say for index or let's say number. So we are trying to get the range of numbers between 1 and 30. So let's use a range function to get the values or the sequence. So that is start and end. So we are trying to use the non-inclusive value. So that means we have to exclude the values of 30. So we have to only print the numbers between 1 and 30. So excluding 1 and 30. So once we get the values, that is a range from 1 to 30. So let's check, let's use the if statement to check if the number is even number or odd number. So in order to get the or try to check the number is even, so let's try to modulate it with a 2. So if the remainder is 0, so then you have found a even number. So let's try to print the number. So if we want to try to print side by side, so let's give end L equals to space. Yeah, so before this, so let us try to print a user friendly message. Let's use a print function and let's say even numbers between, let's give start and end. So in the flower braces, so let's try to print the values or let's give dot dot dot. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to print the even numbers between 1 and 30. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. Running the main program, so you can see even numbers between 1 and 30 are these values. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. up to 28. Closing it, so let me run it again. So you can see the same output has been printed. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to print the even numbers between 1 and 30. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you.